Little Marcus, you're gonna get the Rockefeller oysters. You had oysters? You got a good memory. Some Rockefeller oysters. Come on, demaurion. Come on, man. You got here to come on, bro.
I can't eat no oysters.
Come on, demaurion, man. You gotta do it.
I can't eat no oysters.
Come on. Just one time. Come on, you ready? Come on, you ready? You took the gum out. What little Marcus is at? Hold on, man. What little Marcus is, man? We gotta wait for little Marcus to get here. Hold on, no, man. We gotta wait for little Marcus, man. Yeah, for real. He ain't had one.
It can become tough and dry and do not showcase the taste and texture of USDA prime flesh. We are not responsible. How? What? We are not responsible.
They made sure they.
Oh yeah. I already know how our steaks gonna come out. They're not responsible. They don't even care.
Because we want to see the what's his name. You can't worry about them. They not worried about you. You gonna take the one. I dressed that one up.
You did that one too?
I did, didn't I? You want some of yours?
Nah. I don't even want to eat this.
You go.
I don't even know how to eat this, bro.
Let's go on ahead. Let me see. Don't use demaurion. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, that's good right there. That's good. You know it's good, huh?
Sweet potato, look.
Nice sweet potato. It's that truffle mac. Let me see your cheese pool.